Felyx is an innovative scale-up that provides shared e-moped mobility. Our mission is to connect people through smooth, green and shared rides.
So working in the tech department of Felyx is always fulfilling and rewarding.
One good thing about working at Felyx is, of course, the environmental impact. The second part is working with cool technology.
I think it's really enjoyable because I really like the culture and people. Now I feel really comfortable about all this infrastructure. And
we have a lot of mopeds, so a lot of data. So every ride generates millions of data. So it's challenging also to get this data, transform them, make them available to other departments so they can make insights about different things.
We as Felyx wanted to improve performance as we were scaling up and the requirements of the platform increased exponentially. Felyx asked Xebia to design and implement a secure, scalable and reliable cloud platform which complied with the best industry standards and best practices.
I was part of the platform team, and as a platform team our responsibility was to build up all the new infrastructure, create the new Google projects, and then also migrate the existing software they had to this new infrastructure.
How was this done? Well, following cloud-native best practices, Xebia implemented a base cloud landing zone and data platform on Google Cloud.
Thanks to GCP, we're able to just react to any moment to the market. If the market were to grow, we will be able to react to the market timely. And by that, I say that we're going to be able to scale up in a fast manner.
In our collaboration with Felyx, we started with doing a cloud review. And what we tried to do is to split up all of these components into their own Google Cloud projects, and then have these projects be really focused on one use case to have separation of concerns, separation of security.
We now have more scalability, primarily because of the integration of Kubernetes engine. Makes adding services and scaling them and interacting with how they are going to be hosted very easy.
we are managing all the FEBO services on the Kubernetes clusters. And we have isolated development and staging and production environments.
We heavily use Airflow, managed by a composer in Google Cloud. And the majority of transformation happening there. So the data are ending initially in buckets in Google Cloud, and then from there we process them and we store them to a database where then analysts can make insights from this data and make some reports, some dashboards, so other departments can see, okay, how we operate, how is the revenues and everything.
Well, the main benefits that we see is that we are now ready to scale up if were to happen any moment. Our services are more secure, so that's also a great benefit that we received. And of course, we're more reliable thanks to GCP.